Kinong penyat ke Sports and Youth Affairs Department haka shitarik rempang kila penlong ya kejinyat penina meki Rangdajied Meghalaya football team boys under 18 kibalara ya kanam ladu haka jingya khun persha ya ka Punjab daka Argo la North haka Lumpung Kilo India Youth Games arhajar arphulai kabala long hanong ba Chennai Tamil Nadu. Lakit iki Rangdajied haka trok kabala pen iriam bun rong bat yat suwari haka Kylleng kidong jaga sor Shillong rengkat ke perta ka risa bat kisur jing ruai bat jamsur ban kringi ki pat ba ban pet kai bat ang beneng yakini ki Rangdajied. Kani kakali pen ina megi Rangdajied Meghalaya football team kelas sedang yat na banalari world ka Smaulai petrol pump Sengkhasi college Jayau mau bena Jayau pedeng main road mau khar main road Mot Pran police bazar DC office Raj Bhawan, Additional Secretariat, Main Secretariat, DC Office, Wards Lake, Balapan Kot Hamadan Pulu. Lapan ko buram mekini ki Rangdajied Hamadan Pulu deka Kong Isa Wanda, Director Sports and Youth Affairs, haka jingdon lang uba Hamlet Sandoling, President MFA, ba John Karshiyeng, MSOA, ba uba Pyni Parian. Daki hajar ki pat ba kila ang beneng ki Rangdajied haka jingyat pen inam ya ka jingjob jungki.
Kini kum kejalang yop dekai yo so jong kejong kakrmau haka kan riu terik bagi wan ban kitbok riwang ipi yaitu ka self program kebetulan yang jong ka director of sports ni yang jong MFA ngilong confident but ngilong positive ha Maria dia panai kurbe ipi ngong kani ka team tiga wedon jikarmen ngipet iki players ngipet iki display ke jong pi bat kani ka jeng community jongi kam samlong ka belen ai to be shibon pi ki players play trash tom play ni ka sap ka phang jong pi namar ban yo rung po ka Kilo India Youth Game rukam dei ka basuk lagam baklaga tang pra team pratik state yo ban ile kai dinalor bla qualify lepas ketika grup ke bapra menta pila la benora buram ya kejela meglah hibro kawai kejela meglah bro kawai kampang di break di football ngiso sorong nam ta ka jongpi kani ka buram ba piwan ra klong ke ka ba ngeni ai perdo na ka por ba kani ka buram ba piwan ra ngeru kan long kan nuksa nam tiki players football ki badan ka jeng nuot ban yile kai baru sen yak sit hi bro ko bai kembang iba sunes ka kata jong pi dang de nang po ka phra ka khandai snem ka la jong pi karang bon ba so ba maintain yak ne ka discipline ka sarkar meglia midon bok ba ketika sarkar ke ba phai khmat nam ta ka sports ka sarkar meglia ka dan ba pensim ban ke ka sports discipline ke ba pher ka kongsan kalong magi mapi paro kom ki samlang big sport la long football ni ki big discipline sun kya ne kam kene ke buram ke jong phi pilon ra buram ya ka yeng sem ya ka Shillong ya ka tha jong phi ba kham tam yang jila Meghalaya bro kwe mangyak saprang ba de gleng ji kum ka Meghalaya Football Association in dorangkat ngilong ka ti kemon ka ti kriang bardu kumlap ong ba sunesh ngi kimil di swabang yo ya ka stit team senior team ka batbet ka baklain ngi don kam ban baklain ya ka unlik jongi ngin sa sang no shen ya ka unlik ka jongi ha bro ka we ka state ha bro ka district tiga skem ka ni hi kan ya ram ban pentibet ban penjana ya ka sap ka phong ka jong phi ken dorangkat bat phi kum ki players nam ta ka bit ka biang ka jong phi bat sai sin na ku play ya ka sarkar Meghalaya leng baka director of sports and youth affairs kabla shimkya kabla don kemensi ban irap ban kesan ya ka ni ka jing ka football ka jong phi kubishbun bat sai sin ngai ku le ka pan ta jong phi ki wei bu wei ki players ki bla tristom ki bara nam ka borom baru ngai jing ku le nam ta ki mi pa ki bla pha de ba sup masi mi khun ka jong phi ngi so tana chibon ba kilong ki khna ki badan discipline bat kam ban ka no ka basni ka bing yes lonang ki ne ka ai bi so long tang ka kam ka pha suba kubishbun bat
the winning team, the champions who have come home to this beautiful day and who is the pride of our state right now. All the players of the under 19 football men's who have won the Khelo India Youth Games gold medal in football, along with your coach, your managers and the entire team. We welcome you to this program. We also welcome your parents, your family members and our friends from the press who are here with us. It is indeed such a happy occasion for each and every one of us to welcome you on this day. Step, you must all be sleepy. Hinray nga iru pila shat ba hadrong ka boss tinga try pim da samthia hado kata ngait banado pi rong hapo so Shillong na do mene hapo Guwahati hapo ba pilan rung ila persang na kaliang jong ka department ban Pyni ya kata ka jinkmen ka jongi ha ka bagin yo ban priang burom ya pi naman minta ka sni pi de shisha ki klor jong ka ri hi bla wan ra e ka nam ka burom ka bla wan ra ya ka ne ka trophy na ka binta ka state but ni long ni sarong hado kata na ka binta jong pi ngai ku bla ya baro ki officers ki bla ya rab ru ban priang smu bhai ki ni ki Samla jongi na do nang te na banalari ha ka ba pila yo ban shong ha jong ka te ka bus pila shat pila risa le si fi ka libale ni kwa ya fi ba pin shong kum to kalong ka e ngat harai ka ba phiro pin smut nat hinre ha ka jo Khubor bangin la ban ai min sim bat ngin la ban ai nuksai ki wei pat ba ngilong ni la ban Pyni baling ba ka jing tresh tom jong phi ling ba ki ka preparation jong phi ki ni ki sngi baro pila la ban wan ra ya ka nam shaka state ka jong ni kam de ka bakai ka Khelo India Youth Games ha ka ba ki states baro ki le kai pat pila job ya ka ni ka kusnam tingis ngo ka de ka bangi don kam ban celebrate tina kata kadaw ni penlong ru ini program ibarit bat ngingek bahadian kani ru phim padathat namarkan sadon sa artli ka program hadian kani ila request the honorable chief minister bangin yalam ya phi shaka chamber jong I ban yikendo I bat ha ka jo Khubor ya honorable sports minister kum jo I badang don halin ti menta nakata ka daw imla ban joining I hakani Khubor ti sa sisien kumbala kren ki bhashwa jonga nakwa tang ban ai khuble sa sisien ya phi baro ka jing treshi tom jong phi ka jing do yap ka jong phi but kham tam e ka team spirit but ka perseverance jong phi ka jing durut jong phi la wan ra e phi sha ka ne ban poi sha ka ne ka thong. We were all closely following the games, I think, right from the very beginning. I was able to catch one or two matches or snippets of these matches, and we saw that it was no mean feat. Firstly, to be in a group which had, such strong contenders, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, UP, the big guns, right? The only state from the northeast, and yet you went undefeated in the group matches. Not a single draw, not a single loss. I think that is no mean feat. And then I think in the semi-finals, it was a little tricky, it was a little tense for all of us, but all the same, in that as well, you came out with flying colors. And in the finals yesterday, it was really a sight to behold. And for this, once again, we would like to congratulate you for your prowess on the field, for your determination, and for this prize which you have brought home.
Cheers for Meghalaya.